Hey, welcome to a new video. This is a different type of video. This is my first time recording with a video camera. I did make another video before, but I didn't like it because, you know, it didn't go as planned. So that's just a scrapped one. I don't know why I'm telling you guys about this. I'm probably going to upload it and named it Scrap Video. I don't know. Anywho, so today I've asked my dad to very kindly show everyone how to use this line.
Multimeter, Jordan. Trust me.
Multimeter, yes. This cool little wacky funny tool. Alright, come on over and explain.
Okay, so this is just your basic Fluke multimeter. It's used for finding continuity in a circuit, or testing for shorts, or finding out where power exists in a circuit. For instance, you have AA batteries at 1.5 volts. You have a D-cell battery, which is also 1.5 volts, but only more storage. Bigger the battery, more storage, still at the same voltage as these ones here. Now if you want to test for AC, this symbol here, AC is alternating current. That's what you use for testing a light switch that's in your house or your outlet. What we want to use today is DC, direct current. And we're going to find out if your battery's dead or alive. Positive side of the battery, negative side of the battery. Black is negative, red's positive on the terminals. Touch it to the battery and it should tell you which voltage is. And this one here is way down. It's 0.025, which means this is a dead battery. Should be 1.5 volts. This is a rechargeable, and rechargeables are great, but they only hold their charge for a certain period of time, and eventually they become polarized. They build a resistance to the charge. And this one here is charged and is reading 1.392, almost 1.4 volts. So it's down after being recharged. It's down, which means this battery is building a memory and is only going to be good to be recharged a couple more times. Regular go-kart battery, negative, positive. Put it on the battery terminal. Fully charged battery should read about 13 volts. This one's reading 12.5. So this one here is not a dead battery, but it's rechargeable, but it needs to be charged. It's down. Your charging unit. To find out if your charging unit is working, you don't have to have it plugged into the wall. Just switch it over to ohms. That's what this symbol here stands for.
It's just basically an upside down horseshoe.
Yep. Right now it says open line. It means there's no signal going through. Open line, OL means open line, no signal. And we're going to send a signal through the circuit on this. Right here you have positive and you have negative on this charging unit. So I'm going to put the red lead on the positive and black lead on the negative portion of it, and it should give us a reading. And it gives us a reading of 10.30, which means it's receiving the signal that multimeter is sending through your circuit, and it has a good circuit, a good connection, which means this is no longer working. To test your multimeter to make sure the ohms is working, see it says open line, touch your two leads together, it should give you a reading. If it gives you a reading, your multimeter is working. This has got a complete circuit, so therefore when you plug it in, it's going to charge these batteries. Same thing with a breaker. Regular household breaker. Positive goes on to the bus bar portion that goes onto the bus bar. Here is where the wire gets connected to the service in your breaker on your house. Put the positive on the positive side and the negative lead, which would be still the hot side, So I'm having a hard time seeing. And it should go from open line. And this in here says 0.1, which means this breaker is good. If it said open line, your breaker would be bad. So your breaker is good. That's how you use a simple multimeter for a simple task like checking your batteries. Okay?
I hope this has been useful to anyone who has one of these. Other than that, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I guess I'll see you all in the next video. One quick thing to end it off on. Cat.